Hi guys, my name is Jameson and I'm 8 years old. I want to tell you about a great job opportunity. I know what you're thinking. What does this kid know about getting a job? Hang in there, I'm going to tell you. My mom works for GRBS. They are a cleaning company that has jobs available all over Michigan. They have part-time and full-time jobs on all shifts, so they'll likely have something just for you. This is a company that cares about people. Supervisors and managers treat you nice. They even let you have fun on the job with parties for holidays and special events. So what are you waiting for? Click on the button below and apply today. Who knows, maybe I'll see you on the job one day. My mom works for GRBS. I kind of burped when I did that.